Hi guys, how are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Welcome to Take Care on channel. In this video, in this lecture, we will discuss about AWS Lambda functions and we will create a simple automation process by simple example. So we will follow the process of creating a role, then creating a function, then creating a S3 bucket, adding S3 bucket a trigger, and then creating a dynamodb tables. And we'll see a little automation when we upload any file on S3 bucket. It will automatically trigger by using AWS Lambda function, and it will show the data on AWS DynamoDB tables. Okay, so this is a little bit automation process we will learn in this video. So first of all, this is the AWS console home. When you sign in AWS services website, so you will see first this page. This is the recently used visited or used services by myself. So, and this is the services options. You can see all the services here, and so you can explore the console as well. So in this video we will start with our first step, which is creating a role. Okay, so just create IAM role, click on it by searching on the search bar, and you can see there are three by default roles by AWS. Okay, it is by default roles by AWS. So just refresh it and just click on create role button, and you can see here is multiple options, so keep it as it is on AWS service. Okay, because we are definitely dealing with AWS Lambda function here, so keep it as it is and come down as select a use case. You can see that here commonly used services are EC2 and Lambda. These two services are mostly used in AWS services. So definitely in this example we are working with Lambda, so we will select Lambda here and just click on next button, and you have to add permission here. So we are giving full access to DynamoDB database. Okay, so search here DynamoDB full access. So and it's saying that provide full access to Amazon DynamoDB database. Okay, so just click on check on it and just select next button. Okay, click on next button and give it a role name. Okay, I'm naming it as role 01, and it's a by default sample description. Keep it as it is. You can see the summary of policy here by clicking here on. You can give it any new tag name here by clicking on this button. I'm not giving any tag or not seeing any summary here, so you can see it as you wish, and just click on create role button, and it will it has created role 01 named role. Okay, you can also see here. So now we have successfully created our role. Okay, now we come to the Lambda function and we'll create a Lambda function. Okay, so here select create function button, and we'll create a Lambda function. Keep it as it is on check on author from scratch. You can select other things, but we are dealing with a very simple example, so we'll check on author from scratch. Okay, and give us basic information. Function name I am giving it as function 01, and selecting runtime as you can select any runtime according to your code. My code is on Python, so I'm selecting Python 3.7, and don't forget to choose an existing role as we created role. Okay, so select on use existing role and select the role you have created. Okay, and if you can explore this, so you can explore the advanced settings. I'm not dealing with it, and just click on the create function. Okay, now it has created a function, Lambda function for us, and now come on to Lambda functions code section. Your code has been updated when you are working. Okay, click on and just remove the demo code. Okay, and select your code and just selecting and copying the code. Okay, pasting the code. Okay, so here you have to remember the table name in your code. And in this scenario, my table name is newtable and the partition key is unique. Okay, partition key is named as unique and the table named is as newtable. Okay, you can also explore these settings files. Sorry for that. Find or edit or view or go or Windows etc. Okay, or you can test also. Okay, change is not deployed, so I will deploy it, means saving it. Okay, so deploy it. Okay, uploaded file must be a non-empty zip. Okay, non-empty zip. Okay, it's non-empty, but why not? Okay, save it first. Okay, saving it and deploy it. Okay, now it has saved our functions. Okay, now you can also explore some other settings. Sorry for that. Okay, now explore some settings on configuration. You can add trigger or destination permission. You can see a permissions here. Okay, you have we have given all full access to dynamodb, so you can see the full access here. Okay, now you have created or added a file here. So in this section here is the runtime environment settings. Okay, runtime management configuration. Okay, runtime is Python 3.7 handler. Okay, and is selected by default. Now we create a S3 bucket for trigger. Search S3 and just click on S3 and create S3 bucket. Simply click on the create button. Okay, and name this as I'm giving any name. Okay, and select your region and choose your okay, keep it as it is the settings, and uncheck block all public access because we are dealing with a simple example, and click I acknowledged. Okay, and make sure the bucket key is enabled here. Okay, just click on create bucket and it will create a bucket for us. Okay, so now successfully created a bucket named as 701. Okay, and now come to the lambda function and add a trigger to it. Okay, come to the lambda function and add a select the function created, and now add trigger. We have created S3 bucket and we make it as a trigger. Okay, click on trigger and select a source. We will select S3 because we created S3 bucket for trigger. Now select the bucket name. Okay, and come to the event tabs. We have selected by default it is selected all object create events. Okay, keep it as it is and click on I acknowledged and just click on add. Now it will add a trigger to your function. Okay, now we will create a dynamodb.Table for triggering our uploaded files on S3. Okay, now click on dynamodb, click on dynamodb and create a table here. Okay, and click on it and name your table. Okay, I am naming it as table 0, and remember that our partition name was table name was new table in our code. Okay, so remember it. Okay, new table, and partition key was named as unique in our code. Okay, yes, as it. Okay, select unique and just leave all setting as it is, and if you want any tag name you can leave it. Just click on create table, it will create a table for us, and now you can see that it has created a table for us. Okay, refresh it, you can see this active. Okay, now click on your table and you can see there is no item count. Okay, item count is 0. Okay, so now come to S3 and upload some files or anything you want to upload here. Will automatically see it on dynamodb.Table. Okay, come on and upload some file here. Select your bucket and upload some file here by clicking on upload button. Okay, add files. You can add any file randomly. I'm selecting randomly files. Okay, and come down and okay, select it okay, and select upload button. Okay, it will upload our file to the bucket. Okay, so wait for upload. Okay, yes, uploaded successfully. Okay, now you can check your DynamoDB, and let's see what happened here. Select the tables and table name, and now you can see here is no item count. So let's just refresh it, and no, there is no item count. Okay, so let's see here, explore items and read capture units. Okay, why there is no item here? Okay, empty value should item. No, it should automatically work. So why it's not working? Let's see. Come to the table section and select the new table and use indexes, monitors. It should work, but why it's not working? Backups. Okay, export imports. Okay, there's settings. Page size 25 items. Okay, protect the dynamodb from accidental writes and writes. Now come to additional information. Okay, it's not working. Why it's not working? Export table items. Okay, new table. Run the test. Okay, run what? Yes, you can see here items returned. Okay. Okay, you can see here named as fill cipher. Okay, yes, this is created. This is automatically updated. Okay, you can see here objects fill cipher. Now we will we will upload another file at S3. Okay, then it works. Yes, it's working. So come to the S3 and select your S3 bucket and select upload another file. Okay, you can upload any PNG or any files you want. Add files, and now I'm selecting any image. If I have, yes, I have a screenshot, so select it and upload it. Okay, it will automatically trigger on the DynamoDB table. Okay, so select it and upload it. Okay, it will successfully upload it on the S3 bucket. Then we will check on our DynamoDB that it has triggered or not. So come to DynamoDB and now select tables. Okay, and now select your table and explore table items. Now you can see that here both objects, first we have uploaded the uploaded the hill cipher, and now we have uploaded the screenshot, so you can automatically see here the uploaded items. Okay, so this is the process of automation using simple automation process using AWS Lambda functions. We have uploaded files on S3 bucket and it is automatically triggered on DynamoDB table. So hope you learned a lot of things from this, and will meet you in the next videos. Keep yourself updated to my channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz.